All right, today we're going to dive into something really cool, a powerful and completely free digital loyalty system that's built specifically to help small businesses turn those one-time visitors into absolute fans. Let's see how it works. So, let me ask you something, especially if you're a business owner. Are you still handing out those little paper punch cards? You know the ones I'm talking about. They get crumpled up in a wallet, they go through the laundry, or, and this is the worst, they're forgotten at home the one time your customer actually needs it. They were a great idea for sure, but it's probably time for an upgrade. Well, that upgrade is exactly what this is all about. This digital stamp card system is made to fix all those old paper problems. It helps you take a casual customer and turn them into a true loyal fan, using a solution that lives right where they are all the time, on their phone. Okay, so you're probably wondering, what's the catch? What does all this cost? And this is the best part. For you and for all your customers, the service is completely free to use. Seriously, no hidden fees, no subscriptions. The only tiny cost is an optional one for admins who want to remove a single banner ad from their dashboard. That's it. All right, let's jump in and really see what makes this such a smart, modern loyalty solution. We're going to see how it doesn't just replace that stack of paper cards, but gives you a system that's way smarter, more secure, and is literally always with your customer. First things first, how do you get it all set up? Don't worry, this is not some complicated piece of software that's going to take you all weekend to figure out. It's actually designed to be incredibly fast and simple, letting you get your program live in just a few minutes. It really boils down to just 5 simple steps. You register as the admin, pop in your business info and logo, create your rewards, that's the fun part, set up the stamp card, and then just activate the system. It uses something called progressive disclosure, which is a fancy way of saying it only shows you one step at a time. So you're never looking at some giant, scary form. It just guides you through nice and easy. All right, now we get to the really fun part, actually designing the rewards that are going to make your customers want to come back again and again. This is where you get to be creative and build a program that really fits your business and what your customers are going to love. So, the system gives you 2 main ways to reward your customers. And having this flexibility is so important because it means this system can work for pretty much anyone, a coffee shop, a retail store, you name it. Okay, so what's the difference? It's pretty straightforward. On one hand, you've got fixed rewards. Think of these as a specific thing, a free coffee, a free dessert, whatever. You get to set its value to the customer and its cost to you right up front. Then you've got percentage rewards, and these are all about discounts. 10% off your purchase, 20% off your next visit. You just set the percentage. And here's where it gets really powerful, because you can mix and match these. So for example, you could say after 3 stamps, a customer gets a fixed reward, like a free coffee. Then, at 5 stamps, they unlock a percentage reward, maybe 10% off. And for your die-hard fans who get all the way to 10 stamps, you can even give them multiple fixed rewards at once, like a free burger and free fries. Pretty cool, right? And of course, you get to customize the card itself. You can set anywhere from 1 stamp all the way up to 50. You can pick a fun little icon that matches your brand, a star, a coffee cup, a heart. You can even set an expiration date to kind of nudge people to come back sooner. Now, this is a pretty neat detail. To go live, you actually need 2 card setups. This lets you create, say, a special welcome card for new people, and then a different one for your regulars. Okay, so we've set it all up. Now let's switch gears and look at it from your customer's point of view. What actually happens when somebody has earned a reward and they want to use it? All right, so your customer's been coming in, they've collected their stamps, and boom, they've unlocked a reward. How do they actually use it in a way that's super easy for them and totally secure for you? The whole process is super smooth and, really importantly, secure. Once the reward is unlocked in their app, they just tap a button to generate a QR code. And here's a really smart security feature. That QR code, it actually expires in just 5 minutes. So your staff scans it, the system checks it, and the reward is given right then and there. No fuss, no chance of fraud. Now, speaking of that dashboard, this system is so much more than just a replacement for paper cards. It's actually a really powerful tool that gives you real insights into how your loyalty program is doing. From your admin dashboard, you get this amazing bird's eye view of everything. You can track the exact costs of all the rewards people have redeemed, you can see how many people are actually finishing their cards, and you can even click on a single customer and see their entire history with you. I mean, this is data you could never, ever get from a paper card. And on the flip side, for your customers, the experience is just as clean. They open it up and they see their card, their progress right there in real time, a list of all the rewards they can get, and when their card might expire. It's everything they need, right in their pocket.
So, could this be your new secret weapon for customer loyalty? Well, let's look at a few more features that really take this thing from just a simple tool to a truly professional system for your business.
This thing is packed with some serious professional-grade features. It's got dual authentication, so people can sign in with their email or a phone number. It gives you high-quality QR codes you can print out for easy signups. The security is top-notch, with things like two-factor authentication available. And you even have a master switch to turn the whole system on or off whenever you need to. Basically, you have total control. So let's just leave it with this question. What could it mean for your business if your very best customers could be recognized and rewarded instantly, with a totally seamless experience that lives on the one device they never leave home without? This system makes that possible, turning every single visit into a chance to build a real, lasting relationship.